Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how to see if you have been blocked on Instagram. I'm going to show you how to see if your account has been blocked on Instagram. Let's dive in. So there are a couple of ways to see if your account has been blocked, and today I'm going to show you two ways to see if your account has been blocked. So let's dive in. The first thing you want to do is to go ahead to your Instagram, log into your Instagram account, and you want to click on the top right corner of your screen. Click on your messages, and what you can see here is a bunch of messages. Now when you go to the inbox of a message, you can see texts of a conversation between you and the sender. But if you log in and you don't see any messages, it is a sign that you have been blocked. But what you can do to confirm that is you can click on view profile. Now, for example, I'm going to log in. I'm going to go into an inbox, and as you can see, I have texts. But if there are no texts, you can suspect that someone has blocked you. You click on view profile and you can see their posts. If you cannot see the posts, you cannot see their followers, it means that you have been blocked. And that is a confirmation. You go to someone's profile and you do not see their posts or their followers or their following, it means that you have been blocked. The second way you can do this is by going to a post and checking on the comments. You can find a post and you can check on comments. So if you see someone made a comment but you cannot see what it is they commented, it means that you have been blocked. So what you can do again is you can click on that person's profile, and if you find that you cannot see any of his posts, it means that you have been blocked. And that is it, guys. If you found this information helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe.